Ribbit. Today, someone asked me how to use Winget to install the optimized version of Zen browser. So I'm going to open up Windows Terminal. Just making sure the video started there. I'm in WSL by default when I open up Windows Terminal. So I'm going to open up a PowerShell window here. And then we can say Winget search. You can tech Q for query. I haven't seen a need to put that there, but it's in the docs. And then we can say, what am I trying to do? Zen browser. There's a space in there. So I'm just going to use quotes. And then notice there's an ID right here. So they want to install Zen-Browser.Optimized. And keep in mind, you have to have a processor that supports the instruction set they're using here for this. So Winget install. I'm going to use tech exact. You can do just tech E also. And this is letting it know only install by the exact name. And then tech ID equal. And then we can use the ID right here to install the optimized version of Zen browser. And it might pop up for permission. Then it should be installed now. Here's the CPU needs to support the AVX2 instruction set. So I'm just going to test if I can run Zen. From there I can. And so I'll just go like this. And it looks like right here there's a private browsing, which I don't know how I would do this one. So I'm going to say open file location. And just see what the shortcut here is in case I wanted to run. It looks like I could type private browsing. So what I'm going to do here is just go to my C progs folder. And then in case I ever want to run Z private from the start. And then I'll just rename that to Zen-P. And then if I run Zen-P, it should start in private mode. Ribbit.